Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to hide who you're following on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. So do it is quite easily. First of all, I will show you that I have a few followings and followers, and how to hide it. Go to your settings and support, settings and privacy, and here you need to find privacy and safety. Once you've done that, you need to choose audience and tagging. And here you need to turn on protect your post, protect your videos, and I recommend to turn off photo tagging. What it means: when you protect your post and videos, only users which you approved can see your posts, videos. Also, only they can see your followers and on who you are following. And if you turn off photo tagging, no one can tag you on his photo and other posts. So that's all. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.